Hey you guys, this is Everything Tech. So sorry for the typing because recording on the phone and narrating it afterwards is kind of difficult. So I did a mix of them. But as I stated in the video, we would be going to the browser like we are seeing my wonderful, desktop over here. So let's open up the browser, in this case my Firefox. And we remembered the IP number. The phone said to us like, okay, go there. So I already copied that number into memory. It was like this. And then click on enter. So this will show you this page. Okay, so it shows you all kinds of files, but this stuff you can simply ignore. You click just on internal storage. Now internal storage, well, it basically already says like what you can find here. If you want to find, for example, your photos that you have been taken, you go to the DCIM map. And here it says like camera, Facebook, music, screenshots as well. Let's say camera. And here are like files. You can see like files, these are like desktop wallpapers. So, and if you have taken a lot of photos on your vacation, for example, you can select them all by clicking here. Yeah, or you click them like individually, but that's up to you. So let's say I want them all. So I click them all and I click on download. Now this website, this page offers two options. As individual files or as one zip archive. Well, I never select this option. I don't know why, because I don't see any point of putting the photos in a zip archive. Why? So I can extract them on my computer again? No. So I click on individual files, and then you can see already here like it's going to download. And as soon as it's done, you can select show all downloads. Well, it's all like there. You see, Rave, Baby Blue, it has all download them. I say clear downloads. Okay. The same thing you can also do is like select this one, the pictures you want to remove also from your phone. Now I want to keep a few pictures of these because I want to have them on my phone. So for the purpose of this video, I just select these and you just select delete. So now you have downloaded the pictures to your download map. The download map is not there, but where? Okay, so that button, well, whatever. This computer, my download map is on the E drive, on the downloads. So as you can see, it put the files here, the wallpapers, etc. Okay, so, but this is not everything you can do, because we can go a map up. And you see also a Facebook directory. So what's in here? Normal wise you can find some Facebook related stuff over here, but at the present this is empty. Music. So I have two kind of music. Whoa, that's my chair. Two kind of music files I can play on my phone if I wish. So I can also delete them if I want. So that is also not a problem. The most important thing is for, I think, most people is like WhatsApp. Well, many people are using WhatsApp, but what many people do not know is that if you click on media and you click on WhatsApp images, then you see like the images you get from other people on WhatsApp. So you can also download these pictures like I did before. But what most people do not know is that in time, WhatsApp also stores all your photos that you have sent to other people in this map. Sent. Now, because I keep this always empty with this program, it is fairly empty. So for me it's just like clicking and delete. But now imagine that you do not know this and you have sent like hundreds, maybe thousands of photos, then this map will be stockpiled with photos. And that takes a lot of space. So if your phone only has like 16 gigabytes of space, maybe 32, in any case, this map will be pretty overflowing. So Wi-Fi file transfer is an ideal situation, and you don't need a cable because it just works through your Wi-Fi. No cables required. So you can just empty this entire map and be done with it. Go to parent directory. So yeah, so these photos can also be either downloaded and removed. So let's go map up again, parent directory. So you have more things for WhatsApp, like WhatsApp video. Is there something in here? Do I have something sent? No, it's empty. Also, videos you have sent will be put in here and stay in there. They will not be deleted. No, they will not be deleted. Stickers, profile photos, images, documents, audio. Okay, well, the idea speaks for itself. So the rest you can ignore. Now let's see. I have this program called AZ Recorder Free. Well, that is exactly what you just saw. This is the video you just saw before listening to me. This is the same video, but this file is no longer required because I already downloaded it to my computer for usage into the editor. So I also here click delete. Delete. Okay, parent directory. So what do we have more? We have like .face, nothing in it. And we have like pictures. Yeah, pictures very important because you have like Marktplaats. This is a Dutch website, so I don't know, no, nothing in here. And then Messenger. A lot of people are using Messenger, so also, well, nothing in it so far. But if you are sharing photos or video files through Messenger, it goes to this map. Screenshots, let's see, nothing in there as well. Screenshots, well, you can make a screenshot on most Samsung Galaxy phones by pressing the volume, let me think, it was the volume minus key and the power button together. Okay, and in Skype, is there something in Skype? No, nothing in Skype. Okay, so parent directory. So what we have more, like, well, Smart Mob. What is Smart Mob? Is Smart Recorder. Well, at the moment I am recording. So whatever it is making now here, I cannot touch this because I'm now recording also my voice to the phone. So seems a little bit weird, but don't touch this now. Smart Recorder, by the way, is an ideal program if you want to record voices on your phone. You can also do it like sort of secretly if you have to go to a meeting or some place and you don't trust your conversation partner that they might say weird things, then you can secretly record your conversation. You just put this thing on silent mode, and if something is said to you what is out of law or whatever, you can use this as evidence in court. Yeah, well, movies, it's empty. So I do not have that much on my phone. It's mostly empty. This is nothing. Let's see, Facebook, DCM, Face, backups, etc. The whole schmuck. Okay, so once you are done with all this, you can say like, okay, now we close it, and now let's get back to the the screen of the from the phone, and after you have done this, you have to stop this program. So you press on stop, but not only stop, also press on the most right button on the right side on your phone and close all, because otherwise this program will remain in the background, and that is something you don't want. So guys, I hope that you found this video pretty useful, and if you like it, then give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, well, then thumbs down. If you like to see more of these kind of videos, which are very informative, please subscribe. You will do me a great favor with that. And until the next video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye bye. Uh?